Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today's my lecture is about internal environment. Internal environment in the body is extracellular fluid in which the cells live. Although most of this fluid is inside cells, which is called intracellular fluid, and about 1/3 is in space outside the cell, which is called extracellular fluid. Extracellular fluid include blood which circulates in vascular system, and fluid present in between the cells is called interstitial fluid. Extracellular fluid is in constant motion throughout the body and transported rapidly in circulating blood, then mixed between the blood and tissue fluid by diffusion through capillary walls. The actual environment of the cell of the body is interstitial component of extracellular fluid. Because normal cell function depends on constancy of this fluid, it is not surprising that in multicellular animals an immense number of regulatory mechanisms have evolved to maintain it. Cells are capable of living and performing their special functions as long as proper concentration of oxygen, glucose, different ions, amino acid, fatty acid, and other constituents are available in this internal environment. Because of this, extracellular fluid is called internal environment of body or milieu interior. This term is introduced more than 150 years ago, that means 19th century, by great French physiologist Claude Bernard, who is the father of modern physiology. Here, milieu means environment and interior means internal. Normal healthy human beings depends upon constant maintenance of internal environment within physiological limit. If the internal environment deviates beyond the set limits, body buffer from malfunctions or dysfunctions. Therefore, the ultimate goal of an organism is to have a normal healthy living, which is achieved by maintenance of internal environment within set limits. The various physiologic arrangements which serve to restore the normal state once it has been disturbed, this described by a physiologist whose name is Cannon Coyne, who introduced the term homeostasis. About homeostasis, there is another lecture in my channel. There is a question. Cells does not have contact with external environment. How do they support their vital activities? Answer is extracellular fluid. That means the internal environment. Here they get nutrition from it and discharge their waste product into it. Okay. Thank you for your patience hearing.